Students, today we are going to study chapter 7, linear equations. Linear equations means the equations which have a variable, which have constants, and the greatest power of the variable will be 1. That is why it is called a linear equation. Now let's start with the exercise 7a. Solve the following and check your answer. 10p minus 3p minus 4 equal to 4p plus 1 plus 9. This is how we are going to solve it. First of all, we will open the brackets like 10p minus 3p and minus plus 4. Here 4p plus 4 plus 9. Now 10 minus 3, you will get 7p because they are like terms, they can be subtracted. Here 4 and 9 are like terms, they both are constants, so 4 plus 9, 13. Now we will transpose 4p to this side and 4 to this side. Here they are added, so in the next side they will be subtracted. So 7p minus 4p and 13 minus 4. So here you got 3p equal to 9 upon 3, that is 3. Now the second question is 7 plus 2a plus 1 minus 3a equal to 5a. Here you can try it on your own. 7 plus 2 into a is 2a plus 2 minus 3a equal to 5a. Then take all the like terms on one side, that is all the terms having a take on one side and constants on other side, and then try to solve it. Now third one, 4x plus 3 minus 2x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 3. Now see here, first multiply 4 inside, 4x plus 4 3s are 12. Then multiplying by minus 2, minus 2x, 2 1s are 2, minus plus, here 3x 3. Now here 4x minus 2x I have taken together and 12 plus 2 here together, no change here. 4x minus 2x is 2x, 12 plus 2 is 14. Here 3x minus 3. Now taking x towards 3x towards this side, it is added here, so it will be subtracted here. 2x minus 3x is minus x. Now transposing 14 to this side, so it is plus 14, here it will be minus 14. So minus x equal to minus 11, or we can say x equal to 11. And children, for checking purpose, what you can do is whatever x you are getting, put it on the LHS, left hand side, and right hand side, you should get the same answer. Now the second question, x upon 3 minus 5 equal to 8. Here minus 5 I am transposing to this side, so it will become plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Then this 3 will be transposed this side. Here it is as in the division, so here it will go for the multiplication. So 13 3 is a 39. This is your answer. And for the checking purpose, you can put this 39 on LHS and you should get answer as 8. Now the second question, t plus 8 upon 3 equal to t. So this 3 which is in the division, we'll transpose it here, so it will be in multiplication. T into 3 will be 3t. Then we are transposing this t towards this side, so 3t minus t is 2t. Now this 2 will go in this side, go for division. 2 4s are 8, so t is equals to 4. This is how you are going to solve this one. Now third question, first one, 4y to 21. So for what are we going to do? First we will take the LCM here. 5 is the LCM, so 5 4s are 20y plus 21. Now 20y plus y will be 21y upon 5 equal to 21. First we will transpose this 5 to this side and it will be multiplied. Then 21 will be transposed to this side. Here it is multiplied, so here it will be in the division form. So 21 is cancelled and we are left with 5. So y equal to 5 is your answer. And for checking, you can put this value again here, y equal to 5, and you should get 21 as your answer. Now second one, 2m upon 3 plus 3m upon 4 equal to 17. For this you can cross multiply, take the LCM, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, and then solve it. Now comes fourth, 2 upon 3 into x plus 3 upon 5 equal to 7 upon 2. For this, first multiply 2 upon 3 inside and then start solving. Like 2 upon 3 into x, 2 upon 3x, 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5, So 3 will be cancelled, it will be 2 upon 5. So 7 upon 2. Then transform this 2 upon 5 to this side. Here it is plus, so here it will go for minus. Taking the LCM, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 2 2s are 4. So 31 upon 10. Then for taking out x, 3 will this 2 upon 3 will be cross multiplied here as 3 upon 2, and you will get the answer as 93 upon 20. And then in mixed fraction, 4 13 upon 20. Like this you are going to solve this question.